Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the 1 Minute Millionaire AHA number 17. You already know the answer. All right, so in this video we're going to be talking about the 1 Minute Millionaire 17th AHA. You already know the answer. So touch your finger to your forehead and say, this is the most powerful computer on the planet. The computer, that is your brain, records everything that happens to you. For millions of different inputs simultaneously, heat, light, moisture, sound, it keeps your body functioning, your heart beating, your lungs working. All of this beneath your conscious awareness. Everything you have ever learned in your life is indelibly recorded. Everything you have ever heard, said, read, seen, experienced is all there. This is the database you are carrying around with you. Some even suggested that your DNA carries with it the wisdom of previous generations or a previous lifetime. In short, your unconscious database is enormous. People don't have bad memories. They have perfect memories. They just have bad systems for accessing what they already have in there. Now, how does your intuition actually work? Suppose you're stewing on a decision. Your intuition scans through your enormous database of information, evaluating and processing until it comes to a conclusion, and it's now ready to signal you. Here's the hard part. Your intuition is like a deaf mute. With perfect vision, it can see clearly what to do, but it only has subtle ways to signal you. So each person has a unique pathway to intuition. For some, signals are a peaceful feeling. For others, it is a quiet, reassuring internal voice. For others, it is a flash of insight. It may be a combination of all three. So how does your intuition signal you? Remember a time when you had a hunch, when you knew something was just right. So go back to that time in your mind, rewind the memory till just before the moment of the hunch, and then advance the memory frame by frame and notice any internal signals inside your body associated with the hunch. And what do you notice? An image? A voice? A feeling? How do you know? Well, notice where your feeling of certainty is centered in your body. Is it a warm or cool feeling? Is it clear or is it confusing? Does it ring true or is it muddled? You already possess an amazing ability to know which direction to go. You simply need to learn how to tap into it and interpret your own signals. So take time to cultivate your intuition before you make a decision. Check with your inner knower. Go with your gut. It is almost never wrong. So this is a great chapter or AHA here actually, because there's been many, many times in my life where you're going down a path and something just tells you to do something, right? You can almost, for me, I can just like, I feel something like, yes, we got to do this, right? I don't really get too many negative, don't go there type of things because I don't really think negatively or anything like that. And I try to not even put myself into negative situations, but it probably has happened. I just don't recall. However, there's been numerous circumstances where I was going through something and I got an instant gut feeling that this was the right thing to do. In fact, if you go to the link in the description, you'll see a company that I'm currently working with for internet marketing that when I first saw that it was working with Vincent Ortega, the whole COVID closeout had just happened. And I'm in a real estate investment. I was no longer allowed to go look at properties or anything like that because everything was shut down, and I needed something to keep myself occupied, stimulated, and all that. And I got an email from Vincent Ortega, who I hadn't had an email for quite some time, and I read through it, watched this video, and I had a gut instinct that this was the path that I wanted to go on. And that gut instinct has led me to enormous success during the last couple of months of the shutdown, actually. So I am so grateful that I went on that path. I even told my girlfriend, I was like, holy crap, I've got to do this. I'm going all in. I'm going to be 100% committed to this. And Sales Vision has really changed my life. It's actually helped me create this YouTube channel, taking that to the next level. It has helped me with marketing, getting leads and sales for my online business that I run. And if you are out there and you have an online business and you need leads and sales, click the link in the description and we can definitely help you out with that. And it's free as far as that goes. But also, if you don't have a business and you don't know what to do and you're about to go back to the job that you absolutely despise and your unemployment is running out, your stimulus check is coming, you have very little money to go on, well, join us. The link is down in the description. It is free and you can check that out. Also, make sure you go to winwithryan.com and that'll give you some extra details on everything that's going on in my life. You can kind of follow through with that and go from there. So that is the 1 Minute Manager AHA number 17. You already know the answer. I hope your intuition is going with me. Click the link down below, subscribe, talk to you later. Have a great day.